I'm thinking about where I want to travel and where I want to send you. So I thought, why not go over some of the places that we can visit right now? I wanted to pick a list of 5 to go through today and see if any of them pique your interest. And I'll have some photos and information to go along with them. But of course, as always, feel free to reach out to me. So before I forget, I wanted to make mention that all of the resorts that I'm going to mention, when you book with us, they offer early check-in, late checkout, and an upgrade if available upon arrival. So first off, we have Grenada, which is a beautiful island in the Caribbean. Gorgeous, generally temperate all year round. So the resort I picked is Spice Island Beach Resort, and they're beautiful, known for their villas and suite privileges and the amenities they offer. So a lot of the villas at this resort in particular have private pools, which is awesome, and also private terraces that you would get with your room. Now, depending on the villa type, some of them are going to be bathroom and bedroom all in one, kind of like a studio, but there are villa options where you'd have a separate sitting area, separate dining area. It just depends, and of course the price reflects that. So your entry level room type is going to be a standard studio space, but it still will come with your own private pool and private terrace, which is great for those who are concerned about being around other people when they're traveling at this time. It's a really great pick, and of course Grenada is just stunning. One last thing I want to make mention about our beautiful Grenada spot is the added benefits you get when you book with me. So one of them is a 50-minute massage, which is wonderful for 2 people. So you and yours can have a lovely couples massage together, or if it's 2 friends, if you're 2 friends that are staying there together, totally cool as well. That's something you get exclusive to booking with us. Another added bonus, and I know my golf friends out there are going to love this one, a free round of golf at their gorgeous golf course. So that one is really a nice added benefit, as I'm sure you know if you play golf or if you know people who play golf. Rounds can be quite expensive, so that's a really nice added benefit. And then lastly, we also are going to get you breakfast for 2 daily. A full breakfast, not even continental. So, okay, what do you think about Vietnam? I think I want to go there. I think I want to go there right now, especially to an Amman resort like Amman. Amman is a just stunning collection of hotels and resorts around the world. So when it comes to Amman, you're going to have a few of the same benefits as we did at the last resort. So one of them being $100 resort credit. Of course, we love that. Can be used in spa, gift shop, etc. Another added benefit, similar to our last resort, is full breakfast for 2 daily. So this resort has a couple different room types. You've got your pavilion, you've got your villa, and you've got your residences. So the pavilion is going to be the smaller, more studio, where you're going to have the bathroom, the bedroom, and all those things kind of intermingled. There's not going to be separate rooms for each. Now with a villa, you're going to have separate dining area, separate relaxing area, your living room, and then the separate bedroom. And then you have your residencies, which are, in this case, 3 to 5 bedroom villas. And that's a great way to get grandma, grandpa, mom, dad, cousins, etc., whoever you're comfortable with. And that could be friends too. It just depends on who you've been quarantining with. Okay, this next one is one of my favorites. New Zealand is just beautiful. It's so special. The people are lovely. The lodge at Kairi Cliffs is one I can't recommend enough. It's all inclusive, which is amazing. You get your breakfast, full breakfast, lunch, pre-snacks, pre-dinner canapes, if you will, and beverages, and then your dinner, your full dinner. And an added benefit, of course, when you book with us, is a full picnic hamper. And hamper is just another word for basket. So a picnic basket, which is going to be filled with wine, cheese, crackers, all the things you could want, Well, those are all the things I could want for sure. And also some local sweets and treats from New Zealand. Now, another thing you get at Kairi Cliffs is $100 spa credit, and their spa is renowned for its wonderful services. So here again, we have a couple different room types. You've got your standard suites, you've got your deluxe suites, which are going to be a little bit larger. They also have his and hers closets and vanities, twin vanities, I should say. There's also the option to do a owner's cottage, which is going to be a two-bedroom villa or house. And then they also offer residences, which have 4 bedrooms and all the previously mentioned things that you would get in a suite or a cottage. Lots of different options for the size of your party, just depends on what you're looking for. And again, feel free to reach out and I can always provide more information on those. Okay, Thailand, number 4, Phuket in particular. Now, this resort, Anantara Leon, is a resort and residencies, so they've got several different room types. Let me tell you how many. You've got your premier room, you've got your deluxe suite, you've got your deluxe pool villa, you've got your beach access pool villa, you've got your beach front pool villa, and then you have villas ranging from 2 to 7 bedrooms. Depending on the room type here, you're going to have different amounts of resort credit. It ranges from $50 to $250. So just depending on the room you get, it's going to vary. But that is included when you book with us. One other thing that is cool here is a 60-minute Thai massage. If you've ever had a Thai massage, I'm sure you can attest that they are wonderful. And what's better than getting a Thai massage in Thailand, I ask you? Okay, so our last one, number 5, is St. Kitts and the beautiful Park Hyatt Hotel. You're gonna get full breakfast. You're gonna get $100 resort service credit. You're gonna get an in-room welcome amenity. And here we have a couple different room types as well, starting with a standard 1 king or 2 queen. And then you're gonna have that standard room type 1 king, 2 queen beachside, and then the same but ocean view. And you may say, Olivia, what's the difference between beachfront and ocean view? Isn't that the same thing? Not necessarily. Beachfront means you are on the beach. You are at the front of the beach. You can walk out onto the sand. Ocean view doesn't necessarily mean you're close to the beach. It just means you can see the ocean. Now you're also going to have a beachfront deluxe suite, a ocean view deluxe suite, and a plunge pool rooftop suite. And no matter what water sport or sun sport you're into, they have it. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Please give it a thumbs up or a follow or a share. I would love that. That would make me so happy. And I also want to know, leave a comment down below. Do you feel comfortable traveling right now? Where are you looking to travel, either now or in the future when you're feeling safe to travel? And which of these 5 destinations I highlighted are you most interested in checking out? Again, I'm always here to help in your travel booking needs. Just reach out to me. I am the Trendful Traveler on Facebook and Instagram. All right, I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day, rest of your week, rest of your month. And I look forward to coming back here with more content for you soon. All right.